a getaway, but not just a stale one. See, I'm getting stuff mixed up. I'm not finna edit that out. You're gonna still smell like you stepped out the shower at the hour mark. Oh. You know what's nice in this hot summer weather? A getaway, but not just a stale one. See what I did there? Today we shall discuss a review of Bath and Body Works Fresh Getaway Body Cream. This is a 24-hour moisture in the squeeze tube. Let's chat. So this was picked up at Bath and Body Works, the most recent semi-annual sale. I am really thankful that I was able to pick this up. Actually, that was last year's semi-annual sale. See, I'm getting stuff mixed up. I'm not gonna edit that out. So this has notes of bright yuzu citrus, so something citrusy for a note. Fresh ocean air. Certainly smells like it. First thing I want to get into is the smell straight out of the bottle. It smells exactly that. I can tell you this, it smells more like fresh ocean air than it does this yuzu citrus, than this citrusy note. But that's just out of the bottle before we get into everything. That's what we're dealing with. So being that this is a body cream, body creams are a bit thicker than the norm, especially a whole lot more thicker than body lotion, especially from Bath and Body Works. Packaging is quite kind of plain in my opinion, kind of aesthetic, but then it's also giving you beach summertime. Not to be confused with the two beach scents that they just recently came out with, which you could see on this vlog here. It'll pop up on the screen for you, and I'll link you at the end of the video. Here for Bath and Body Works Fresh Getaway Body Cream. Now it's out of the bottle and on our hands. I have just worked it through a couple of times, put on my hands, and you see that glistening factor. Although it's formulated really, really thick and luscious and creamy, it's of a thicker consistency than the body lotion. It's still pretty blendable when it comes to the skin. And you see that glistening? I think it's the hyaluronic acid that's in it. Hope I did not butcher the pronunciation of it. So kind of a thicker version of a lotion. And I noticed the formulation for the body creams are a bit more different than they were, say, 2021 onward, going in the reverse direction, 2021, 2020, 2019. Because they used to be a little bit more on the drier side of the spectrum. But what I'm noticing here before I even apply it to my skin is that it's glistening on my hands. I've yet to apply it anymore. That was the sequin, glitter. Now this is what we're dealing with the first stroke of the body cream onto our skin. Glistening, glistening. Now, if you don't apply lotion in the way that I do, okay, that's fine. What you're going to get is it melting into your skin, utilizing your normal body temperature. And then you may get this glistening factor. I kind of like that they've reformulated their body creams to now include moisture, and it's not on the drier side of the spectrum. But since it's summer, I do miss them formulas in which they would be on the drier side of the spectrum, perfect for hot weather. You know, in case you're in one of the following states: Las Vegas, Arizona, Texas, Florida, hot Georgia. Then you may want to gravitate towards the Bodycology body creams instead of the newest 2023 onward, 2022 onward formulations, because now it has that hyaluronic acid, nearly every last one of them, including the body lotion, I believe, too. So they're including everything for you to have moisture in your skin and to have that glisten and that glow. And I picked this up because last year I decided to just get all the white t-shirt. This is the only thing that I couldn't find. I only found a tester, and they were like, oh, you can't buy that. I'm like, they sold out of all the white t-shirt body cream. I didn't really miss out. Fresh Getaway kind of smells close to it. Now that we've got it on the skin and we've got it glistening, we got to figure out how this performs. I will meet with you all in exactly 1 hour, if not more, to give you the deets on the performance and my final thoughts. So it's 3 hours later. I didn't get a chance to give you all my thoughts on the hour mark, but from the hour mark, I'm going to tell you now. So for the hour mark of this Bath and Body Works Fresh Getaway Ultimate Hydration Body Cream, this body cream here smell like, it still smell like at the hour point, just the freshest, like I just stepped out of the shower. Freshest thing ever. Now, smelling it now, 3 hours in, the only thing that's pretty prevalent is I'm picking up the citrus, but I'm also picking up that sea breeze note throughout everything. It's just not as strong as it was 2 hours ago at the 1 hour mark. I like it. I will tell you that I do like it. I like it a lot. It smells really, really fresh. It's definitely in the same laundry smelling category as white t-shirt. But for the most part, an hour in, you're gonna still smell like you stepped out the shower at the hour mark, because that's what I was smelling. Even now, I can still smell it. It's just 2 additional hours later. We're at the 3 hour mark. Here are my final thoughts. I like the lasting power. It's not just an hour anymore. I'm noticing the difference of them reformulating things, adding moisture to things, but something else must have been added to the formula. That lasting power is nothing like what it used to be at least 2 years ago. I also like the fact that it smells like fresh laundry, and I also like the fact that at the hour mark, it still smells like I stepped out the shower. I give this a solid 10, and I don't give out 10s very often. So this has been the review for Bath and Body Works Fresh Getaway Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. 24-hour moisture with the hyaluronic acid. So if you like to see more things like this, more reviews on body creams, body lotions, I got a specific playlist that will be on either side for you to enjoy. So that way maybe you're looking for something new for a body cream. And maybe you're just shopping around, looking around. Until next time, love you.
When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking, nor is it easily angered or seething mad, and it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,